Hi everyone, so the next color I'm going to go over for color highlight is Quinacridone Red Light, which is made with PR207. So Quinacridone Red Light is similar to other quinacridones in that it is very transparent, but it is different from most of the other ones you see because it is more orange leaning compared to the ones like Quinacridone Rose and Magenta. And when you dilute this color, it makes a nice salmon pink color. So the next part I'll do for this video is a dispersion test to see how this acts wet on wet. So from what we can see in the dispersion test is that this color does disperse farther out than some of the others we've seen, like ultramarine violet or cobalt violet. So the next thing I'd like to do is compare PR207 to two of my quinacridones that I have. PR209 is closer to this color, but I don't have that. And from what we can see is that PR207 is more orange leaning. So the next thing I'd like to do is mix my quinacridone red light with 6 different colors: yellow ochre, potter's pink, cobalt violet, dioxazine purple, phthalo turquoise, and burnt umber. So the first color I'd like to mix with is yellow ochre, or PY43. And when I mix these two colors together, we get pretty bright oranges despite yellow ochre's dullness. So the next color I'll be mixing with is Potter's Pink, or PR233. So when I mix these two colors together, we get these soft, muted, delicate red and pink tones. So the next color I'd like to mix with is Cobalt Violet, which is an uncommon granulating magenta tone. So the two colors mixed together make these soft granulating rose colors that are more purplish compared to the ones made with Potter's Pink. So the next color that I'll be mixing with is Dioxazine Purple. So when I mix these two colors together, we get these deep magenta and burgundy tones. So the next color I'll be mixing with is Phthalo Turquoise, and the one I'm using is a convenience mixture made by Mgram. And as red and cyan are complementary to each other on the color wheel, we see these very neutralized tones. So the final color I'll be mixing with is Burnt Umber, or PBR7. And when we mix these two colors together, we get these terracotta and maroon type of colors. So overall, I like how quinacridone red light mixes with other colors. It mixes bright oranges with yellows, mixes nice delicate pinks and roses with potter's pink and cobalt violet, and then it also is a near complementary color to phthalo turquoise. So overall, I do like PR207 a lot for both its hue and its mixing properties. And I'd like to keep this or PR209 on my main palette. And I'm curious to hear what your opinions are on this color. And I hope you found this video helpful.